When you're shopping for a used car, nothing feels better than finding a model that delivers way more value than the price tag suggests. A car that rides like something premium, lasts for years, and doesn't punish you with surprise repairs. Today, we're looking at 5 used cars that are seriously underrated, the kind of models mechanics respect, owners swear by, and that often get ignored simply because they don't have the hype of newer or trendier vehicles. These are the cars that make you feel smart about your money. The cars that quietly deliver comfort, reliability, and long-term durability without costing a fortune. If you want a used car that feels like a hidden deal, something built to last, tested by real owners, and backed by solid reliability data, this list is for you. The Toyota Avalon from 2013 to 2018 is one of the most underrated full-size sedans on the used market, delivering comfort, durability, and long-term value far above its price. Based on major listings, the average used price usually ranges from $12,000 to $20,000, although this can vary depending on mileage, condition, and region. Most models come well equipped, including leather seats, dual-zone climate control, a smooth V6 engine, a quiet cabin, advanced safety features for the time, and a very comfortable ride. Higher trims may offer heated and ventilated seats, upgraded audio systems, and improved infotainment. Owners praise the Avalon for its excellent reliability, smooth driving experience, and long-lasting V6, with many reporting well over 200,000 miles with basic maintenance. Mechanics appreciate the proven Toyota components, noting that the Avalon tends to avoid major surprises compared to other full-size sedans. There are a few downsides. Some owners mention that front suspension repairs can be more expensive, and the steering feel can be very soft, which not everyone likes. Fuel economy is also average for a large sedan. Overall, the 2013-2018 Avalon delivers premium comfort and outstanding longevity, offering far more value than its used car price suggests. It is a strong choice for anyone who wants peace of mind and a refined daily driver. The next car is the 2015-2018. Subaru Legacy is one of the most overlooked sedans in the used market, yet it delivers all-wheel drive, safety, and long-term value far above its typical price. On major used car platforms, prices usually range between $10,000 and $17,000, depending on mileage, condition, and location. Most Legacy models come well equipped, including Subaru's symmetrical all-wheel drive, a comfortable interior, touchscreen infotainment, backup camera, good sound insulation, and strong safety ratings from IIHS. Higher trims add leather seats, premium audio, larger screens, and advanced driver assist features. Owners consistently praise the Legacy for its excellent traction in rain and snow, predictable handling, and strong sense of safety, noting that it feels stable and planted even at higher mileage. Mechanics appreciate the simplicity of the 2.5L engine, which tends to be reliable when maintained properly, although they note that Subaru AWD systems offer above-average stability without complicated repairs. There are some downsides. The most common complaints involve higher fuel consumption compared to other 4-cylinder sedans and CVT behavior that can feel sluggish if not serviced regularly. Interior wear on older, higher-mileage examples is also mentioned occasionally. Overall, the 2015-2018 Subaru Legacy offers AWD confidence, long-term durability, and solid safety for a price far below what you would expect. For buyers who want value, stability, and year-round security, the Legacy delivers far more than its price tag suggests. Now let's talk about 2013 to 2015. Toyota Venza is one of the best hidden values in the used crossover market, offering space, comfort, and long-term durability for a price that often surprises buyers. On major used car platforms, prices typically range between $11,000 and $18,000, depending on mileage, condition, and trim level. Most Venza models come well equipped, including a spacious cabin, strong V6 or efficient 4-cylinder engine options, a smooth automatic transmission, large cargo area, touchscreen infotainment, dual-zone climate control, and solid build quality. Higher trims offer premium leather, panoramic sunroof, upgraded audio, and power liftgate. Owners frequently praise the Venza for its excellent ride comfort, strong highway stability, roomy interior, and the reliability of the 3.5 LV6, which many say feels bulletproof with regular maintenance. The seating position is also repeatedly mentioned as comfortable for long trips, especially for older drivers looking for easier entry and exit. There are a few downsides. Some owners report that the suspension can feel firm, especially on rough roads, and fuel economy for the V6 models is only average. Additionally, because the Venza is no longer produced in these years, some trims and body parts can be harder to find, although mechanical components remain widely available. Overall, the 2013-2015 Toyota Venza delivers more space, comfort, and dependability than its used car price suggests, making it an excellent choice for buyers seeking long-term value in a practical crossover. Coming up next, we have a full-size sedan that most buyers completely overlook. The 2013-2018 Ford Taurus is one of the best hidden deals in the used market, offering strong performance, solid safety, and long-term durability for a surprisingly affordable price. On major used car platforms, the average listing usually falls between $9,000 and $15,000, depending on mileage, condition, and trim. Most Taurus models come with a spacious interior, comfortable seating, a strong 3.5 LV6 engine, smooth automatic transmission, good ride quality, Bluetooth, backup camera, and high safety ratings. Upper trims like SEL and Limited often add leather seats, heated seats, premium audio, larger wheels, and more advanced features. Owners often praise the Taurus for its stable highway feel, quiet cabin, and dependable V6, noting that it drives like a solid, heavy, secure sedan that inspires confidence. Many say it's an excellent long-distance car thanks to its comfort and road manners. As for downsides, the most common complaint is fuel economy, which tends to be lower due to the size and weight of the car. Some owners also report occasional electrical quirks, such as sensor errors or infotainment glitches, but these issues are usually minor and inexpensive to fix. Overall, the 2013-2018 Ford Taurus offers far more value than its price suggests, making it a fantastic option for buyers who want a large, comfortable, and dependable sedan without paying luxury car prices. If you're enjoying the list so far, make sure to drop a like. It really helps the video reach more people looking for honest used car advice. And tell me in the comments, which car has given you the best value in your life? Your stories help other buyers avoid headaches and find good deals. And of course, feel free to share this video with a friend who's shopping for a reliable used car. It might save them a lot of money and stress. And now let's take a look at a sedan that feels far more premium than most people expect. The 2014 to 2017 Buick Regal is one of the most underrated American sedans on the market, offering a refined ride, upscale cabin, and surprisingly strong reliability for the price. On major used car platforms, the average asking price typically ranges between $10,000 and $16,000, depending on mileage, condition, and trim level. Most Regal models come well-equipped, including a quiet and well-built interior, comfortable seating, touchscreen infotainment, heated seats on many trims, strong safety features, and a refined driving feel. Higher trims may include leather upholstery, upgraded audio, sportier suspension tuning, and larger alloy wheels. Owners praise the Regal for its smooth ride, quiet cabin, and premium feel, noting that the car delivers near-luxury comfort without the luxury car repair bills. Many mention that the Regal feels sturdy and stable at highway speeds, giving it a confident and planted road presence. Mechanics often highlight that the powertrains used in these years tend to be reliable when maintained properly. There are a few downsides to keep in mind. Some owners report that replacement parts can be pricier than expected, especially interior components and certain electrical modules. Others mention that rear seat space is not as generous as other mid-size sedans. Overall, the 2014-2017 Buick Regal is a highly underrated used car bargain, offering comfort, refinement, and solid reliability for far less than competing luxury sedans. For buyers looking for a quiet, comfortable, and premium-feeling daily driver, the Regal delivers far more value than its price suggests. And that wraps up our list of used cars that deliver way more value than their price tag. Each one of these models has something special, whether it's comfort, reliability, long-term durability, or the simple feeling that you made a smart choice. If one of these cars stood out to you, let me know in the comments which one you'd pick and why. Real owner experiences help the whole community avoid bad purchases and find the real hidden gems. Don't forget to like the video and share it with someone who's searching for a dependable used car. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.